I have a question for you. What if you could control a computer using only your mind? No keyboard, no mouse, just your thoughts. It may sound like science fiction, but this technology already exists. It's called a brain-computer interface, or BCI. Inside your brain, billions of neurons are constantly sending signals. Every thought you have, every movement you make, starts as an electrical signal. BCI technology works by capturing those signals. Using sensors or tiny implants, it reads your brain activity and sends it to a computer. Then, the computer translates those signals into commands. So instead of moving your hand, you can move a cursor just by thinking. This technology is already helping people today. Paralyzed patients are able to type messages, control robotic arms, and even communicate again. But this is just the beginning. Companies are now developing brain implants that could allow humans to interact directly with machines. Imagine controlling your phone, writing messages, or even playing games without touching anything. But with great power comes great responsibility. There are still risks like surgery complications and concerns about privacy. Because if a machine can read your brain, what else can it access? Still, this technology shows us one thing. The future is not just in our hands, it's already inside our minds.